Katatapos lang ng 13th anniversary ng Online Travel Express. Alam mo ba kung ano ang highlight? Eto, panoorin natin.
Hindi ko to sinusum ha. Hindi ko sinusum.
Bakit pag sinunod?
Yan, kakaway na naman. Okay, kakaway, kakaway.
So we will have 10 lucky winners of cell phone. We will also have 20 lucky winners of one sack of rice from Rich Minimart. Then we also have 10 lucky winners of 5,000 pesos from Rich Minimart groceries. So medyo malaki-laki yung makukuha niyo sa Minimart. Then and the grand prize, sino kaya ang makakuha ng worth 84,000 na motorcycle? Yun. So tingnan natin mamaya kung sino yung makakakuha. Yun.
You stare in the mirror longer than I do. Must have been delulu when I fell for you, but I couldn't help. You were such a mood, sucker for a neck tattoo. So full of yourself, okay, you need help. Your ego's tighter than your Gucci belt. Can't believe that I fell for the lies that you tell. I must be unwell. anymore. Can't be the light, cycles never end.
They detonate inside my head, tearing up my generation. Oh, they fed us all a lie, buried truths until they die, leaving nothing but a salutation. Did you forget that we had empathy, clarity? Now every truth is drowned beneath the sea of vanity. Do you feel proud up in your tower built on fear and doubt? The sky is falling, they just smile, never call it out. Whoa, can't be it, this can't be it now. Whoa, this can't be it, this can't be it now.
Huwag tayo magkampo, meron lang December. Pero, pag-ibigay na lang ito si Kuya Joseph. Nasa boarding house pa lang ako, si Joseph na nandun lang. Nagkahanap ako ng opisina, pinakaunang opisina. Alam mo ba si Joseph? Kaya, kailangan niya to, kailangan niya aralin. And congratulations.
Sa mga nanalo, congratulations to all of you guys. Ang event na ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Rich Lopez Group of Companies.
Magandang gabi po. Siyempre, mapapalak ka. Kasi kunwari na gustuhan po ninyo yung ginawa.
Palakpakan naman po tayo dyan.
Apo, pagtapos ng kanta, papalakpak tayo. Ganon.
Ayan.
Sino